Hey, MTech Express. Something I've heard a lot of creators ask is, how do I know how certain creative video formats perform compared to others? Like your vlogs versus your challenge videos, or your reaction videos versus your Q&As? Well, two great tools for this are the Groups function and Compare button in Analytics, two of the most helpful, but often underused options for you to dig into your data. So, I'm going to walk you through how to use these functions and analytics and some of the ways that can help you decide what types of videos you should make more of moving forward. So first, let's pull up the new YouTube Studio Analytics. You can click into any of these tabs and select any of these data pieces and click See More. Once you click into one of these options, the first step is to create a group. To do this, click on your channel name, and then select Groups. All of your previously created groups automatically save, which is the list you see here. If you've never created a group before, or if you want to create a new one, click Create New Group. This will bring you to a screen that allows you to enter a group name and select the videos you want to add to that group. Once you select all the videos you want for that group, click Save. Now that new group will show up in this list, and be searchable here. So you might be wondering, why should I create a group? Or what types of groups should I make? Well, groups are incredibly helpful when trying to see what format types, series, or even something specific like video lengths tend to perform well on your channel. Have you ever experimented with a new format type and wondered how well it did compared to your usual upload? Maybe you usually do challenge videos, but wanted to try out vlogging for a week. Groups are a great way for you to dig in and see how the new format type performed, not just in terms of views, but in terms of watch time, average view duration, and much more. Along with format types, series, or video lengths, you can also make groups based on certain time periods, like all the videos you uploaded in 2017 compared to all the videos you uploaded in 2018. Groups are great for that. Now that you have some ideas for what groups you can create, let's compare them in Analytics. Once you've selected the group you want to use, click Compare to in the top right-hand corner. This will bring up the split screen view, where each group you're comparing will be given a different color. You can then select the date range you want to look at for each group and then see how they performed against each other for those given time periods. The Compare function allows you to compare things like watch time, traffic sources, or even really specific things like how well certain end-screen elements performed against each other. You can click around on these different tabs or click More to see a full list of data options to look at. Keep in mind that you can also use the Compare option to compare specific videos against one another, and not just groups of videos. And that's it. What do you think about these features? Let us know in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe for more creator tips and tricks. Bye.